one of the things that we have argued all along, and what the judge said today, the judge commented today, this is one of the most remarkable, and he used that term, remarkable transformations. And he said, while the crime was truly horrific and remarkable, the 35 years since, what they have accomplished is remarkable, with no hope. And we've said that since day one. And so, with no hope, this encourages people who are incarcerated to make the right decisions, to take the right path. So it's just a win-win on so many levels. And I will let the family talk.
Oh, wait, just Mark real fast.
Yeah.
Did you call Joan? I know you've been close with Joan.
I have not talked yet to Joan.
Does she know the good news?
I'll let the family say that. I'll let the family.
You have a lighter? I need to smoke a cigarette. Mark! You have a fucking lighter! Hello?
Hi, everyone.
Mark! Mark!
This
You have
is
a lighter!
It's Mr. Hoffman's PR person.
Mark!
No, can
You have a
can you do me a
lighter!
favor? No, I don't
You have a lighter?
He does, right there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All-
Mr. Hoffman does. He's right over there.
Hollywood!
He's hiding in the
Hollywood
bushes.
is making
We have a lot of thank yous
Fucked up.
today from the family. Mark Aragos,
It's Hollywood.
Cliff Gardner.
You're gonna call me in 3 minutes?
Thank you so much. You have brought hope to this family.
I don't know.
We didn't seek it.
You know, we would be remiss if I didn't thank Alexandra Kazarian, my partner who's here. If I didn't thank Milena Blake and Mike Romano. There's Milena back there. I apologize for Milena. It's got to be tough to sit at a council table and have me there kind of bulldoze my way through. So I said I thank X-Rated for having to subject himself to that brutality. But most of all for the family. I just couldn't be happier for you guys. It really is tremendous. Thank you. Talk to them.
This is the step in the right direction, but is there any worry or hesitation at all about brothers facing the parole board?
Step up to the mic, Anna Maria.
Okay, yes. So this is a step towards the parole process. Of course, June 13th they will meet with the parole board, and in the state of California, it's a pretty stringent process. So we are very hopeful. I thanked Mark. I thanked Cliff. There is an entire legal team, but ultimately we are here today with this result because of Erik and Lyle, because they chose to live their lives with clarity and a purpose of service that the judge was impressed by. And so a huge thanks to them too for being the kind of people that we could bring home.
Did you expect this today?
What was it like for you to hear the brothers speak in their own words and stay in no one's signature? What they did is wrong, they blame no one but themselves. They asked for forgiveness, they thanked the family, and they embraced the love of the family.
It was very moving. I think everybody in the courtroom was moved by that. They've said those words to me personally before. That was not the first time that I had heard them take full accountability for their actions, for the effect that it had on my life, and express that. So I'm glad everyone else got to hear it.
Can you talk about the brothers' reaction to the hearing, the results of it?
I haven't talked to them yet.
But
Yes.
that experience in the courtroom gave a reaction or anything like that?
I couldn't really see. They're on a screen, so I couldn't really see facial reactions, but I imagine that they will be pleased from today.
¿Nos podrías decir en español algunas palabras, por favor?
Yes, so for my Spanish-speaking reporters, you have a treat today, which is my cousin Marta is going to follow me, and she is going to speak to you in Spanish. So you'll get the full thing and answer questions as well for anyone who is talking and speaking.
What's next for you all as a family?
What's next?
What do you do after this?
Well, we still have, we have to go through the parole process, which is going to be very difficult for the family. That is a difficult process for the family to go through. We were certainly hoping for manslaughter, time served, so that we wouldn't have to go through this process, but we will eagerly step through those doors if that means getting them home. So also I want to say a thank you before I forget to Judge Jessic for being fair, for reading the law as it was written. like Mark said, for not getting caught up in the drama of the situation, but for simply applying the law. So grateful to him as well. I am so happy that I wore waterproof mascara is how I'm feeling, because I have been crying all day long. So these are tears of joy for sure, and we're very excited. Yeah.
Diana, can we hear from you since you testified during the first trial?
Can you hold on until Marta talks? Thank you so much.
Marta, Martita, tu nombre, por favor.